Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm talking to you today about the Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus by 360 because we want to enjoy our 360-degree smart life, and Botslab has brought you this really great vacuum to do all the house cleaning that you no longer want to do, because why should you? You don't need to do that cleaning anymore. I got a lot of rooms in my house and they all need cleaning. I got a bedroom with carpet, and I've got this guest room with hardwood floors. And not only does that bedroom with the hardwood floors get dry messes, it also gets wet messes. And that carpeting seems to get all the debris from my big yard as kids and guests and dogs bring it all into my house. This vacuum has a 2700 PA suction power. Most vacuums are about 1500, maybe 2000, but the Botslab S8 Plus has the highest level of suction. And it also has a low noise level. A hardwood floor doesn't need a lot of suction power. It's a smart machine, so the decibels there are going to be about 57 decibels. That's very low. But there's many different surfaces in a house. It has an auto boost suction, a very powerful mode if it detects carpets and thick rugs. Now that carpet has taken a lot of abuse and continues to be abused. It's the one where the kids or the dogs, the animals track in all kinds of things from the yard. We got grass down there, we got dirt, we've got some crushed up leaves, we've got all kinds of debris from the backyard going into this bedroom. I turned my Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus onto this whole mess. I wanted it to get up all the leaves and the debris and all the junk outside of the bed. And I also wanted to go underneath the bed. So in one cleaning spell that only took a few minutes, it got the whole room. Let me show you how it got under the bed and cleaned up that, because that wasn't visible to me looking down under it. It was finding all of that dirt and sucking it up. Seeing is believing, and that's why this camera angle is so good. This is what the Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus can do. And it'll do it under yours too. It sure did it well for me under my bed. And I want to show you a time lapse of what's happening as it's cleaning. Now I cut out the pieces under the bed because we don't need that. We know it went under the bed. But now this is how it gets the stuff on top of that carpet. The Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus is a whiz on carpet. I didn't have to tell it if it was on carpet or floors. It knew it was on carpet. It seems to have some artificial intelligence, some AI that understands what it's supposed to be cleaning, so I didn't have to babysit it. That battery capacity is 5,000 megahertz, which means it can go about 3 hours to clean a house. And if you've ever watched my show, you know I'm a coffee addict, but I always assume my guests are too. Another guest bedroom I have has a full coffee setup, so the guests can get up, make their coffee, and not wake me up. I grabbed the basket, I don't know, I got confused, just like you would in the morning, right? We'd all get confused trying to make that coffee. Well, a mess happened. I dropped the coffee grains all over the floor. So here's how I use the app to isolate the zone. I used virtual walls and a no-go zone. That was as simple as it was, and in like 10 seconds, I directed it just to clean up the mess. And I knew how fast the Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus worked, so it actually started my whole pot of coffee. With me out of the room and my camera set up, I am showing you how all of that coffee got cleaned up. The Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus just went to town in that little zone I set up. And the Botslab Research and Development has created this amazing robot vacuum and mop. And really, it's quite fascinating if you watch your phone to see where your vacuum's at. It wasn't wasting time anywhere else. It was just doing what I wanted to do in just a few minutes time. It was all cleaned up. When I came back in the room, it was beautiful. There wasn't a single grain of that coffee anywhere on that floor. And before that coffee was finished, those floors were perfectly clean. So about that time, I wanted to celebrate my clean floors with a cup of coffee. So I went to pour the coffee. Well, you know, I can have a dizzy attack at any time, and apparently at this time I had it again. And I spilled that coffee all over me and all over the floor. And since I'd already set up my cleaning zone, that you can just press a button and this vacuum won't clean. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. For the mopping, it has a 300 milliliter water tank, which is about a cup and a half. Just with the mopping pad underneath it, it is mopping all of that coffee. That's got to be 3/4 of a cup. Looking at that side angle really shows you how quickly and efficiently the Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus can mop. It is shining up my hardwood floors just with the water within it. You don't need a lot of harsh chemicals. I hate using harsh chemicals when I clean my house. That's another engineering marvel about the Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus, is that you don't need any chemicals to clean your floors. And so here I have this guest room all cleaned up, ready for company. And after it was done, I brought it back into the kitchen to show you all that filth. So I flipped over the vacuum and I took off by Velcro the scouring pad for the mopping. And all you have to do to clean that is just run it under some cold water or throw it in your laundry. Either one is fine. So with the scouring pad, just goes right back on with the Velcro. Now I'm going to take out the cartridge where the water goes in to show you how the water got in there and show you what's left. So I took that out, I put that over. So you see that green tab? That is the green tab that you pull open. That's where the water goes in, but let me show you the water that goes out. It's not like it's gonna suck up the dirty water. It only lets out the fresh, clean water. So all of that mopping, look at all this water that came out. Then I'm gonna fill it back up, and that's just straight tap water right back into the tank. Pop on that green tab. You're good to go for next time. I'm going to check the filter though, because man, that coffee has a lot of little particles to it. So I opened up and there's where the filter is, that little white square. I took that out and I decided I'm going to wash that too. That's washable in water. After I washed the white cartridge filter, I just put it on a piece of paper towel on my counter. I'm going to leave that there for 24 hours. And while I'm here underneath the vacuum, I'm going to show you the roller. That's the roller that's going to whisk around to get the dust and the dirt and the hair into the vacuum to suck up when you're just using it for vacuuming. Just for carpets, just for floors, without the mopping feature. It's 7 inches. That's what it looks like, and I can't believe it. It really sucked up everything. There was hardly anything on that roller from all the cleaning I did. That was bizarre. So I grabbed a little whiskey brush again, which has a razor blade on one edge. So I whisked up the hair, because you know I have long hair. The hair gets caught in there, and it did today. And then I just put it back in and put the housing back on it. It just clicks in. It's very easy. So to get to the dust bag, you just open the top, and there's that white dust bag. From all that cleaning I did today, there's about 3/4 cup of debris on the bottom of that dust bag. The dust bag will last maybe 2 to 3 months for a normal household. As you saw, I really made a big mess, but still, there was so much more capacity. This is good for another couple months in my house. The Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus robot vacuum arrived to my door. I put it on my kitchen floor to unpack it. I wanted you to see how well packaged it came. The top of the box had a user manual, and inside the box were all these parts. They were wrapped up, and then I took them apart and I unwrapped them and I laid them on my kitchen floor so you could see everything that you would get in your box. There's the cleaning brush. That was a great device to pick out the hairs and to brush it clean. There is the mopping pad, and here is where the dust is collected in the dust bag that goes right into the housing unit, right into the home base. They give you 2 extra bags as well. The back of the unit has a plug, and here is the robot vacuum disc. It has a LIDAR technology on the top. That's what the round circular on the top is. And underneath it, you can see the wheels. The wheels will fluctuate up to 1/2 inch to go over different surfaces. The wheels are extra strong and made of very thick, rigid rubber. The top wheel is a navigation wheel. Underneath, we find the brush. The brush is a full 7 inches. To turn it on, there is an on switch, and this is what the whole unit looks like on my counter. This is how we put in the dustbin and also the recharge button. So when you send it home, you press the button that looks like a plug, and it can go home to recharge. And that's the on and off, the little circle. It plugs into any normal household outlet, 110 volts. This is the whole unit and the instructions right on my counter. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the dustbin. And it also has voice control, in case you want to use Alexa. And if you have Google Home or Amazon Echo, you can even tell it what to do with your voice. The Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus has an intelligent self-emptying station. It collects the dust within 20 seconds. It's an automatic dust collection, and the vacuum goes home to empty that dust all by itself when it knows the internal dustbin is getting full. Inside that small home unit, there's a dust bag that's about 1 gallon. 4 liters large. And I only need to change that bag about 5 times a year. The S8 Plus has LIDAR navigation. That LIDAR navigation 3D technology accurately maps and plans its route. in real time while it's working. And that means while it's working, it's going to create an optimal cleaning path so it's not going to waste battery. It's going to get through your home faster. That LIDAR navigation 3D technology also has anti-collision sensors. This has really changed the cleanliness factor of how I live every day because it's so efficient, it's so powerful, and it's so easy. So click the link below to get your Botslab NaviClean S8 Plus by 360 degrees. Their parent smart company that wants to make your cleaning smart. Well, I consider that easy. I'm Rebecca Brand. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, and let's not spill the coffee. Let's clean it up with our Botslab S8 Plus. See you next time. Now, where is my coffee? I need some more, apparently. I found it, and if you like this video, here's a bunch of coffee recipes over there, and some other videos that you might like.